On हो गया. Good morning, boys. Now today we are taking past perfect continuous tense. The helping verb of this tense is had been. This is compound helping verb had or been. Now see three patterns: affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. See the pattern of affirmative sentence: subject plus had been plus present participle form of the main verb plus object plus since or for plus time. For example, I had been writing a letter for half an hour. For half an hour, it has been given time here. So had been plus ing form, present participle form of main verb writing. Negative pattern: subject plus had plus not plus been plus present participle form plus object plus since or for plus time. So had is put between after the subject. Not is put between had and been. For example, it had not been raining since morning. Now see the pattern of interrogative sentence. Had is put at the beginning of the sentence plus subject plus been. Had been is broken. In between we have to put subject. So had plus subject plus been plus ing form of the main verb plus object plus since or for plus time and mark of interrogation at the last of the sentence. For example, had he been waiting for me since 3 o'clock? This is interrogative pattern. Now see the use of this tense. This tense is used to express an action that begin in the past. The action that begin in the past time and remain continue in the past time for a given time duration, for a given time period. If the action is continue in the past time for the given time duration, words like since, for and all are added with the time along with some other clauses belonging to the past time. So this tense is used with the past clause, the clause belonging to the past time. For example, when he came, so this is the time clause showing past time. I had been watching TV for an hour. Now see the exercise. These are some sentences. These are 5 sentences. In the first sentence, we cook for the party all day. That evening, all day is our time duration. So this sentence will be filled by had been plus ing form. So we had been cooking for the party. Okay. Second sentence is when I reached there. This is time clause belonging to the past time. So when I reached there, he had been singing for 2 hours. For plus time for 2 hours. It means we will have to use past perfect continuous tense. He had been singing for 2 hours. The next sentence: the children do their homework and by 11 o'clock they still had not finished. By 11 o'clock they still had not finished. This is past time. So along with this past time, we have to fill up here past perfect continuous. The children had been doing their homework. The had been doing will be the right. Next sentence: when I entered the office, I found that a clerk was sleeping. So this is the time in progress in the past time. In the next sentence, we will have to fill up past perfect continuous. He had been sleeping there. He had been sleeping there all afternoon. Had been sleeping past perfect continuous tense, because this is time clause belonging to the past time. Now in the next sentence, it was 6 p.m. and I was tired. I was tired. This is past clause in the past time. So in the next clause, we will have to fill up past perfect continuous tense. I had been working hard all day. So in this way, we can use past perfect continuous tense. Thank you.